Welcome back to the Best Top 10. Looking for the best romantic Chinese dramas of 2025. From heart-fluttering first loves to epic historical romances, here are 10 must-watch love stories that will leave you hooked. So let's dive into the love stories that are making 2025 the most romantic drama year yet. 10. Close to You. Close to You is a heartwarming coming-of-age school drama centered around a high-achieving athlete who joins the prestigious Jing Chai Academy to fulfill her parents' dream of academic excellence. There, she crosses paths with a seemingly arrogant genius, a top student with a hidden rebellious streak. Though they initially clash, the two slowly develop an unlikely bond. Through shared struggles with academic pressure, family expectations, and personal growth, their relationship evolves into a story of friendship, healing, and first love. With relatable characters, heartfelt moments, and school life nostalgia, this drama is perfect for fans of youth romance with emotional depth. 9. Kill Lover. Blending intense romance with dark revenge, Kill Lover tells the story of a woman who lost her parents in a tragic incident orchestrated by a powerful conglomerate. Years later, she returns under a new identity to seek justice, only to fall in love with the one person she never expected, the son of her enemy. Haunted by their pasts, both characters carry deep wounds, and as their connection deepens, they must choose between letting love in or pursuing long-awaited vengeance. Full of gripping plot twists, emotional dilemmas, and powerful chemistry, this is a must-watch for fans of angsty, high-stakes love stories. 8. Youthful Glory. Set in the tumultuous world of palace politics, Youthful Glory follows the stoic and principled King Dengbei, who returns to the capital after nearly a decade guarding the borders. His new mission: uncover a massive embezzlement scandal within the military. To protect the influential Ming family, he enters into a political marriage with General Ming Tan, a fierce and intelligent woman with a will as strong as his own. As they work together to expose corruption, a tender romance blooms amid betrayal, power struggles, and duty. It's a beautifully layered story of trust, loyalty, and honor, perfect for fans of slow-burn royal romances with a strong female lead. 7. The Best Thing. In The Best Thing, we meet a successful but emotionally drained hotel manager whose life is consumed by the pressures of her job. Chronic insomnia and migraines threaten to take a toll until she encounters a compassionate young doctor who specializes in traditional Chinese medicine. What begins as a professional treatment relationship slowly evolves into something deeper. Through patience and small gestures, they find solace in one another, and the woman begins to rediscover herself. This drama is a gentle reminder that love can be the cure we didn't know we needed. With emotional storytelling and mature themes, it's perfect for fans of slice-of-life romance with healing at its heart. 6. Shine on Me. A bright-eyed woman begins her first job in a fast-paced corporate world. There, she encounters Ni Shi, a former doctor turned deputy manager with a mysterious past. Initially cold and distant, Ni Shi slowly warms up to her optimism and sincerity. As their paths intertwine, the drama explores themes of regret, self-forgiveness, and second chances. Ni Shi helps her navigate career obstacles, while she helps him confront the pain he's been running from. Shine on Me is a beautifully written love story about personal growth and emotional rebirth set in the backdrop of office politics and ambition. 5. The Comic Bang. In a refreshing blend of comedy and romance, The Comic Bang follows a socially awkward math student who moonlights as a popular comic book artist. When a girl boldly confesses her crush on him, he doesn't return her affection but instead recruits her to join his creative team. Together, along with other quirky students, they aim to make it big in the competitive comic industry. As their friendship grows, so does the chemistry, leading to a sweet and unpredictable romance full of laughter, teamwork, and passion for art. It's perfect for fans of creative coming-of-age stories with vibrant characters and a touch of youthful love. 4. Be Passionately in Love. This romantic gem begins with a classic misunderstanding between two strangers in Kangyi City: Zhu Ji, a calm and composed man, and Chen Lu, a lively and spontaneous woman. Their banter-filled meetings quickly evolve into a deeper connection. But just as love begins to bloom, Chen Lu moves abroad, separating them. Years later, fate brings them back together, now changed by time, but still drawn to each other. With charming chemistry, emotional reunions, and a mature storyline, Be Passionately in Love is about finding your way back to the one who truly understands you. 3. Speed in Love. Separated by their parents' divorce, two brothers grow up in drastically different worlds, one in luxury, the other in poverty, forced to fight for survival. As adults, they reunite and face emotional scars, broken dreams, and unresolved anger. The drama isn't just about brotherhood, it also explores how romantic relationships blossom amidst chaos. Each brother finds love in unexpected places, challenging their values and reshaping their future. A powerful mix of family drama, action, and emotional romance, this drama delivers on both adrenaline and heart. 2. Fated Hearts. After the devastating Battle of Pingaling, a mysterious female archer shoots at Prince Feng Shui, then vanishes, only to later be found with no memory. Feng Shui, wounded and suspicious, takes her in as they begin a dangerous journey to uncover a political conspiracy between two kingdoms. As secrets unravel, mistrust turns to understanding and eventually, love. But their bond is constantly tested by betrayal, royal politics, and the truth about her identity. Fated Hearts is an epic romantic saga filled with mystery, war, and unforgettable emotional tension. 1. The Prisoner of Beauty. Topping our list is the visually stunning and emotionally rich The Prisoner of Beauty. In a world torn by political tension, a brilliant and sharp-tongued woman is forced into an arranged marriage with the formidable leader of the Wei family, a man known for his military prowess and pride. What begins as a cold, calculated union soon transforms into a romance built on mutual respect, sacrifice, and emotional vulnerability. Together, they navigate palace betrayals, family feuds, and national crises. This drama is a perfect mix of power, politics, and passion, a must-watch for every historical romance lover. And that wraps up our top 10 romantic Chinese dramas of 2025. From passionate reunions to unforgettable first loves and powerful political marriages, this list proves that 2025 is a golden year for Chinese romance. Which drama are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow drama fans. We've got more amazing recommendations coming soon, so stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.